Hello. So, we went to the city today and we have a wedding this weekend. And so we needed a few things for that. And we needed a few things for, winter clothes. So I had in my head that we'd be back by 4 or 5 and I'd have plenty of time. When did we get back?
It was 8 or almost 8.
Yeah, I think it was at least 8.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was 8 o'clock.
Somewhere between 8 and 8:30 probably.
And then we had groceries to put away. So now it's 9:30.
I don't have a fast to edit video right now. And the one that I did have, the children were like, we made you a video. And there's no head in half the video. So, you know, not doing that. So, she's knitting. Should have brought you a cup, but you have a tea over there.
I do. It's too hot to drink, though. So I'm waiting for it to cool.
I've been making lots of hibiscus concentrate. And we've been drinking that a lot. And I'll be out of hibiscus for a couple days. So I think I will just do another tea that we need often. And I'm really liking the concentrate idea because I can get it to the table instantly for supper.
I think we have a ginger peach tea blend that we could do.
The children would like that too.
Yeah, Naomi loves that tea, so that's why I'm not sure if we have it because she drinks it a lot.
But we don't lack tea, so
yeah,
we'll do that. This is just a little, oops, I didn't get my video done ahead. The beginning of this, I had like 4 or 5 ahead, and I just slowly didn't get them done.
Start falling off.
Yeah. So I'm hoping to get caught up. I do have a few videos that I can edit. They just wouldn't be fast for tonight. Mm-hmm. But, you know.
Yeah, I've done that every day in December a few times. And one year in particular, I had to rely on shorts a lot because you just get tired and you get busy and you lose footage. Mm-hmm. And some videos just don't turn out as good as you're expecting or whatever. So I never have been ahead at the end of posting every day. I've
gotten done 4 or 5 days early.
Yeah.
I say that, but I've only done it twice. So I prefer daily videos if you can get ahead just because it keeps you in a rhythm of getting it done. It's easy to not do it if you don't, I think. But
yeah.
Then you get little videos like this that are just filler because, oops. So I hope not to do that too much. And tomorrow morning I will just get what I have edited and probably make a few different things on Sunday. So if you have any certain requests, I mean, we could probably come up with something.
No, because we're reporting live.
We are thinking about doing a live. We're thinking about doing a live on Sunday.
Man, I couldn't have planned that better if I tried.
So, you know.
Moral support. Doing it together.
I am going to have it set for not just anyone can talk, though. Mm-hmm. So if you're not subscribed and you want to comment on that, you might do that. Because I've seen some people have it set to where you have to be subscribed for 24 hours before you can comment. That's what I'm going to be doing. Because I'm just not interested in shenanigans or trolls. But I think we might do that on Sunday.
Yeah.
If people say it's a good idea. Because I'm kind of chicken about it.
I need some encouragement.
Yep.
Right now, it seems like, oh yeah, that's fine. We can do that. But I know that I'll be like, what were we thinking right before it?
Well, it's just like going somewhere. You're like, oh yeah, that party sounds fun. Let's do that. And the time comes and you're like that party's not in my living room. I don't want to go anymore.
You mean I have to get dressed for that?
I don't do that. I just, if I have to dress up for it, I'm not going.
True. Except for wedding.
But I didn't find anything fancy to wear, so I told my children I might wear what I'm wearing. And Wisdom's like, you probably would.
She's not even phased.
I don't like weddings at all.
She likes marriages, not weddings. Maybe.
I thought you were going to say what the people normally say. Mom likes funerals, not weddings. But I don't like funerals. I just prefer funerals.
Yeah.
But that's it. That's all I got for tonight. I'm ready to throw this up on the YouTubes and go to bed.
Yeah. It feels so late at like 6 o'clock already.
And then we were in town all day, so it really did.
Yeah.
So, all right, bye.